Welcome back to another home video tour. My name's Jumaane. I'm with John L. Scott Silverdale, and today we take you to a home in Bremerton, Washington. It's a 3-bedroom, 1-bath, and while it's centrally located next to the naval bases, shopping centers, and parks, it's neatly tucked away in a dead-end street. Let's go check it out. Hey, what's up, guys? So in the kitchen, we have some Quartz countertops. Let's go check it out. Here we have a very private backyard, perfect for entertaining, gardening, just relaxing. And one of the reasons why it feels so private is that the bushes and the trees act like a fence. We just have to wait for tomorrow, and I know that I know that you can make it through. As cold as it seems. You may be wondering, where are we? We are located in the downstairs basement, and they've done a terrific job renovating it with fresh paint and cleaning it up.
So it doesn't feel like the scary basement.
But rather, if you're a musician or an artist, maybe you want another office space, you could really cater it and utilize the square footage to fit your lifestyle. Heaven told me sunshine is coming. Can't you see where we are at? We are downstairs in the basement, and they've done a terrific job So, you may be wondering where we're at. We are located downstairs in the
I'm so sorry. That was good. Okay. Rolling.
Now you may be wondering, where are we? We are downstairs in the basement, and they've, oh, such a creep.